All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. Drip Network, get 365% back on your initial investment, 1% every single day. All kinds of good stuff with cryptocurrency. Well, today we're talking about CRO, CRO. Used to be crypto.com, rebranded to Cronos. So we're going to kind of talk about that. Just got rebranded. Go to the website, do a price prediction, check out their Twitter. And then also we're going to talk about how Bitcoin is up 18% Monday and Tuesday here in the last couple days. And is it because there's a war going on that the Bitcoin is up? It could be. I don't know. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. I'll go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. So, all right, everybody, let's head over to Cronos. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Cronos number 18, formerly known as crypto.com. CRO right there. It's up 10% in the last 7 days. Fantastic. It's at 43 cents. Clicking it. Over here to the right, the coin is being traded at 43 cents. It says up at the top here, crypto.com coin has been rebranded to Cronos. Take a look up here. Has been rebranded to Cronos. Read more. We're going to kind of check that out in a second here. All right. In the last 7 days, this coin is up again 10%. So right here, it was at 39 cents. Now it's over here at 43 cents. Or maybe it was when it was down here. It was at 35 cents. Yep, 35 cents. And now here it is at 43, 45 cents. 11, 10, 9, 10%. All right, so the coin is up in the last 7 days, which is fantastic. The Bitcoin for the 18%, they're saying it could be because of the war. I think it's because of the Super Bowl ads and people getting the app and people knowing more and more about Cronos and know about the crypto.com. Clicking it, the holders, clicking the 3 months. All right, how are we doing on holders here? 90 days ago, we had 160,000 people holding the Cronos. At that time, it was called crypto.com. And today we got 223,000, 223 to 60, 40, 63. Yeah, about 40%, about 37 to 40% uptick in the last 90 days of more people holding the CRO coin. All right, now right here, CRO is now Cronos, formerly known as crypto.com coin. CRO rebranding reflects the decentralization of the coin and the tremendous growth of the Cronos ecosystem. So there's a big boom going on with Cronos here. Crypto.com coin is now Cronos. Crypto.com announced that the Crypto.com coin, the utility coin chain, Cronos EVM chain, has been rebranded to Cronos. The new name properly reflects the decentralized nature of the CRO and recognizes the explosive growth of Cronos ecosystem. The Cronos ecosystem represents the next major phase in the adoption and utilization of Web3 by hundreds of millions of users. Since November 21st, 2021, Cronos is an EVM-compatible chain designed to support creative ecosystems applications such as DeFi and GameFi, ultimately serving the foundation infrastructure for, it as the metaverse. Yep, the metaverse. Cronos delivers dramatic, faster, and cheaper transactions than the Ethereum mainnet. Here, look at this word cheaper. Cheaper is important. Ethereum is still the granddaddy of them all, but everybody's trying to be that Ethereum killer. Making decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts more user and environment friendly. In 3 months since the go live, Cronos has been explosive growth. Users' adoption surpassed their expectations with more than 350,000 unique wallet addresses performing transaction on Cronos. So yeah, everything is just up, up, up. Over 120 dApp builders have chosen Cronos as the home for their projects, spanning all the categories of dApp. Take a look at this. I mean, that's a lot of freaking everything. That's a lot, everybody. So Cronos, crypto.com, formerly is now actually Cronos. Now, on the website, the crypto.com, it still says crypto.com. Fortune favors the brave. The world's fastest growing crypto app. Join 10 million users buying and selling 250 cryptocurrencies at true cost. Send with crypto.com Visa card and get an 8% back. Grow your portfolio, receive rewards at 14.5% crypto assets. You can do it from your iPhone and your Droid, which is fantastic. Buy crypto at true cost. That's the key thing, true costs. You can actually do better over here. Now, the only card you'll need Says enjoy up to 8% back on spending with your sleek, pure metal, no annual fee, top off with fiat crypto. Choose your card. If you click it right here, it's got the only crypto card you will need. There's no annual fees, and now you're going to get the array of all the pretty colors and pick the one you want. So take a look at that. Top off your fiat or your crypto. So crypto.com, deposit crypto and earn rewards. You just saw everything calculated right there. Get up to 14.5% right here on your cryptos, and get up to 14% on stable coins. DeFi made simple. All right, the Cronos is doing fantastic. We'll come back and do a price prediction. What's up with this Bitcoin being up 18%? And they were saying last week that the coins were down because of the war, and everything was down because of the war. And now they're actually flipping their tune and saying that the Bitcoin could be up because of the war. Let's go over and check it out. Oh, while you're doing that, take your finger and hit that like button. Leave a little comment at the bottom and tell us what you think of everything. What do you think of Cronos, crypto.com? Let's head over to the Bitcoin. All right, has the Russian-Ukraine war driven up Bitcoin prices? Here's what the analysts are saying. All right, here's your Bitcoin. Bitcoin gains are almost 18% since Monday, pushing the cryptocurrency nearly at 45,000. It's actually like 44 right now. Tuesday, as the U.S. and the allies slip new sanctions against Russia for invading its neighbor, the UK raises donations in cryptocurrency. Bitcoin was last traded around 44,000, up 2.7% in the last 24 hours. What exactly is Bitcoin rallying, according to the holders of the views? Well, it seems that the second leg of the move was at least partial, fueled by a small, smart squeeze. Overall, the rallies was driven by a huge spike in demand. At crypto hedge fund AK36 wrote in an email, and U.S. and its allies levy new sanctions targeting Russia's central bank, some state-owned companies and elite families. There has been some speculation around whether Moscow could gain leeway through crypto. Pretty interesting. Meanwhile, Ukraine has raised $31 million through more than 26,000 crypto donations since Russia launched the invasion, according to the crypto compliance company right here. So they got 26,000 crypto donations for $31 million. However, the demand from Russia, Ukraine alone may not have been seen enough to push Bitcoin to the current level since Monday's, according to the head of research at the crypto firm. The market has a very small volume compared to the total market. Well, either way, is it the war pushing it up or is it not pushing it up? But the Bitcoin is up. It was dropped under the 40,000, and now it's actually right here. The Bitcoin is at 44,000, up 16% in 7 days. Go Bitcoin. Fantastic right there. Love seeing it. Love that. We're close to 50,000 here. All right, we're back over here at Cronos. Let's go ahead and play this real quick.
History is filled with almosts. With those who almost adventured, who almost achieved, but ultimately, for them it proved to be too much. Then there are others, the ones who embrace the moment and commit. And in these moments of truth, these men and women, these mere mortals, just like you and me, as they peer over the edge, they calm their minds and steel their nerves with 4 simple words that have been whispered by the intrepid since the time of the Romans. Fortune favors the brave.
So there's the crypto.com there. The advertisement, fantastic advertisement for the crypto.com. Again, at the website, DeFi made simple, DeFi wallets, your keys, your crypto, DeFi earn, no lockup period and stable returns. DeFi swap DeFi coins and earn triple yield. How you like that? Earn triple yield. Cryptocurrency in every wallet. That's the goal of Cronos. Founded in 2016, team of 3,000, 10 million users. All right, so what's our price prediction? This token is actually up again about 10% right now. I think this token's going to get to 45 or 47 cents here. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. But again, right here at the coin market cap, it's up over 10% in the last 7 days. Fantastic. Those Super Bowl ads are starting to kick in. All right, everybody. Cronos, formerly crypto.com, CRO. Price is up 10%. Fantastic things going on. Bitcoin is up 18 or 17%. The last 7 days, last couple days, things are going fantastic. All right, don't forget to hit that like button. All our information is for educational purposes only, not a financial planner. We're just all friends here. All right, click right here to see our most recent video, and click over here to learn how you can get 365% back on your investment, 1% a day. If you need a buddy, my link is in the bottom. All right, everybody, have a fantastic day.